Hello and welcome to our 7th Java Intermediate tutorial. On our last video I showed you how to create a hash map using the key and value. So we stored string and integer. Today we are going through how to create a wrapper class. So what is a wrapper class? A wrapper class uses primitive data type as objects. So the first column here we have the primitive data type and the second column is the wrapper class. As you see, we use the same variables, but the wrapper class is going to use them as objects, which means when you're going to write a wrapper class, the first letter has to be a capital letter. As you see, byte, short, integer, long, float, double, boolean, and character. But if you have noticed these two, integer and char, in our wrapper class we write them as full word, integer and character, again both with the first capital letter. Sometimes wrapper classes are used in collection of objects, like an array list and hash map, which we went through on our last two videos. This is an array list. As you see, we have stored as integer, full sentence including the first letter as a capital letter. And in hash map, we have stored the items in pairs as key and value, key as string, and the value was as integer, again full word, including the first one as a capital letter. So let's create an example of a wrapper object. So as you see here, we are used to write int numInt equals and the value. The wrapper objects, as we said, it takes the whole word, integer numInt equals 10. Again goes for the double, using the first letter as a capital, and the character in full, and again the first letter as a capital letter. Let's run the program. As you see, we still get the output of 10, 22.22, and the character as A. So let's do another example. This time we are going to use the getValue, and we are going to have the same output as the one before, but this time we are going to use the getValue. As you see, the first one is int value, the second one is the double value, and the third one is the char value. Let's run the program. As you see, both statements have the same results. Another useful method is the dot to string. We are going to convert an integer to string. So the first one we are going to write as normal, integer numInt 5000, and we are going to print it as integer. Then we are going to convert it as to string, numInt.toString. We are going to print it out, and then we are going to print the length of the string, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's run the program. So as you see, the first one, the first 5000 is as integer, the second 5000 is as string, and the third one we have the length of the string, which is, as we said, 5 and 3 zeros, which is equals to 4. So if you try to get the length of an integer, as we have done over here, you get an error. So that is one reason why it is converted, an integer is converted to string. That was all about the wrapper class. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.